Hey, food lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're heading down to the land of breathtaking landscapes, adventure sports, and unique food culture, New Zealand. And what better way to explore Kiwi cuisine than with the legendary Kiwi Burger? Alright, so what makes a Kiwi Burger different from a regular burger? It's got all the usual suspects: a beef patty, lettuce, tomato, cheese, and ketchup. But here's where things get wild. It also includes beetroot, a fried egg, and sometimes even pineapple. Yep, you heard that right, beetroot. A staple in Kiwi fast food, this ingredient adds a sweet, earthy flavor and turns your burger into something uniquely New Zealand. But why these ingredients? Stick around, and we'll reveal the history behind this tasty combo. So, where did the Kiwi Burger actually come from? Well, it wasn't invented by McDonald's, but they sure made it famous. The Kiwi Burger was created in the 1970s by a New Zealand dairy owner named Bryan Old, who ran a small burger joint. Inspired by the traditional Kiwi-style breakfast, which often included eggs and beetroot, he decided to throw them onto a burger. It was a massive hit. Fast forward to 1991, McDonald's New Zealand officially put the Kiwi Burger on their menu, making it a national icon. But here's the kicker: the burger came with a jingle. Alright, now let's talk about some mind-blowing facts about the Kiwi Burger that most people don't know. While the Kiwi Burger was a big hit in the 90s, McDonald's actually removed it from the menu a few times. Every time they did, Kiwis demanded its return. Now, it appears on the menu as a limited-time special. New Zealanders have been adding beetroot to their burgers for decades, long before the Kiwi Burger existed. It's one of the few countries where beetroot is a burger essential. Even Aussie burgers have it. McDonald's made a commercial in the 1990s listing all the ingredients in the Kiwi Burger, and it was set to a catchy tune. The lyrics went, lettuce, the lyrics went, lettuce, cheese, tomato, beetroot, egg, meat, mustard, ketchup, bun, kiwi. If you grew up in NZ, you probably remember this jingle. Kiwis love their eggs, meat, mustard, ketchup, bun, kiwi. If you grew up in NZ, you probably remember this jingle. Kiwis love their eggs. A fried egg on a burger isn't just a gimmick. It's inspired by New Zealand's hearty breakfasts, where eggs are often served alongside meats like bacon or sausages. While fish and chips or pies might be more famous, the Kiwi Burger is one of the only fast foods that truly represents New Zealand flavors. Despite what many people outside New Zealand think, the Kiwi Burger has nothing to do with kiwi fruit. The name comes from New Zealanders, who are commonly called Kiwis, after the native bird. So, no, you won't find slices of kiwi fruit in this burger. When McDonald's introduced the Kiwi Burger in 1991, it became so popular that at one point, it was selling more than the Big Mac in New Zealand. That's pretty rare for a fast food chain where the Big Mac dominates worldwide. Before fast food chains made it official, many Kiwi households were already making burgers with beetroot and eggs at home. It was a common way to serve a hearty, homemade burger, long before McDonald's added it to their menu. Most McDonald's burgers have generic names like the Big Mac or Quarter Pounder, but the Kiwi Burger is one of the only ones ever made that's named after a specific country. That shows how unique and patriotic this burger is for New Zealand. Over the years, McDonald's New Zealand removed the Kiwi Burger multiple times, thinking it wasn't as profitable. But every time they did, New Zealanders protested and demanded its return. That's why it keeps coming back for limited time runs. If you've ever eaten a Kiwi burger, you might have noticed that the beetroot juice seeps into the bun, turning it slightly purple. It's a small but funny side effect of this classic ingredient. Compared to many fast food burgers, the Kiwi burger is surprisingly nutritious. The beetroot adds fiber and antioxidants, the egg provides protein, and it has fewer artificial additives compared to other burgers on the menu. In the early 2000s, McDonald's NZ launched a Kiwi Classics menu that featured local favorites, including the Kiwi Burger, Kiwi Burger McMuffin, and even Hokey Pokey McFlurries. It was a full-on celebration of New Zealand flavors. Across the Tasman Sea, Australians also love beetroot in their burgers, and they have their own version called the Aussie Burger. Aussies often add grilled onions and barbecue sauce, while the Kiwi Burger stays true to mustard and ketchup. Some homemade and restaurant versions of the Kiwi Burger include mint sauce. It's not an official ingredient, but some foodies say a little drizzle of mint sauce adds an extra layer of freshness to balance out the egg and beetroot flavors. And there you have it, folks, the legendary Kiwi Burger. We uncovered its origins, some crazy unknown facts, and even made our own delicious version. So, whether you're in New Zealand or making it at home, now you know what makes this burger so special. Some fans still wish it were a permanent menu item. While not in the original recipe, some New Zealanders like adding pineapple to their Kiwi burgers, making it a mix of sweet and savory. This Hawaiian-style twist isn't for everyone, but those who love it swear it's a game changer. What do you think about beetroot on a burger? Love it or leave it? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun food adventures.